Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot without the power button on Redmi A3. Let's begin. Now, unfortunately, there is no way for you to take a screenshot without clicking the power button. I tried it and I failed miserably because the only possible way that you could take a screenshot without pressing the power button right here is by using the Google Assistant. Now, we by default activate Google Assistant using the power button anyway, so let me just simply demonstrate that. Take a screenshot. And as you could see, we did indeed take a screenshot. However, we pressed the power button anyway, so what's the point? Well, my point is that if you somehow manage to convince Google to work without putting the option off, what I mean by that is you can't activate the Google Assistant without power button. Like, even if we go to the settings, which can be found right here, and if we go to Google, in here we go to all services, search Assistant and Voice, Google Assistant, and Hey Google, you will see that Hey Google is indeed turned on. However, when I tried to use it, it didn't really work. We can try that once again. So let me try Hi Google. Hey Google. And one last time. Hey Google. Oh, you did work. Take a screenshot then. Well, let me try that once again. Could you please take a screenshot? Okay, so I guess I was wrong. You can indeed activate Google Assistant without pressing the power button. I tried that off camera 5 seconds ago and it didn't work. But I am surprised, which means that there is a way for you to take a screenshot without pressing the power button. It is pretty tedious to activate Google Assistant anyway. Like, each time you want to take a screenshot, you will have to, I would advise you to use power button anyway. However, if you can't use it for some reason, then Google Assistant is your only way, because there's no fancy shortcut or whatever to take a screenshot without power button. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.